Hello, these are rare birds and they are usually restless. Whenever I see them, I usually relate them with the rain. You'll find them moving about, they are just restless. And you can hear them as they cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Even I thought it was the kaku, kaku bird, but no, it's not a kaku bird. I've forgotten the name, but they are usually very restless. You'll find them moving about. They usually show a sign of rain. Yeah, there goes one. They are just moving about anyhow. And whenever they go there, they go cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Let me show you. They can't even finish a minute there. They are usually restless. That is a sign of heavy rain. Even when I saw them earlier in the year, I